y'all, it's Sim from Sin Super Savings, your fashion fit guide girl. And if you're new here, that's where I share with you my measurements, my size, my weight, how things fit me to try and help you avoid returns and choose your best size from the start. This is the extra large. Now I have lost over 111 pounds, so I do have a lot of looseness through here. As you can see, this kind of digs into some of that. Super comfortable throughout, the extra large, and this set comes with this super cute romper. And I have 44-inch hips, so we're going to see how well maybe that works for me. So we're going to step into it, pull it up, and then put our arms. Ooh, I like it. Okay, that's cute. So this is kind of just a loose open front. I like this one. I really like this one. So we can adjust these two to come up with some ruching if we want. We could just tie them as is or leave them loose like this. I really like this. This is very flattering. 44-inch hips, 40-inch bust. I'm 184 pounds, 5'2" tall. To give you an idea where it runs, and I normally wear a size 16. Definitely a good value in this one.